I'm Cheryl Ferguson from Plum Granny Farm, and we're here in beautiful Stokes County on a beautiful evening. We've got some great strawberry hanging baskets. These are ever-bearing varieties, so that means they will be producing throughout the summer and into early fall. They could even have, you can have berries in October possibly. But they're a very nice sweet berry. We planted these this past winter and have had them growing in a high tunnel in their baskets over the winter. They've grown because they were very small plants when we started. But if you're planting a strawberry, you want to make sure that you don't cover up the crown. A lot of people do that and it suffocates the plant. So they're a bit of a Goldilocks about how they're planted. You can't plant them too deep or too shallow. But so we try to plant them just right. So we'll have some great berries. Strawberries are pretty heavy. They have heavy needs for fertility. So we recommend that you use some sort of fish emulsion or some mild fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, at least once a week, just to keep nice, sweet, juicy berries coming all season long.